I'm Sean Tavalia, and we're at Suffolk Community College to look at some simple experiments relating to pressure. Today we're going to look at how pressure relates to temperature. Pressure is a measure of the force acting on a surface per unit area. The force is a result of small collisions that are occurring along the surface with the atoms and molecules within the vessel. In this CO2 cartridge, we have CO2 under extreme pressure acting on the surface inside the cylinder. Temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the molecules. With a lot of molecules interacting and moving around inside the cylinder, the temperature is relatively high. As we lower the pressure and remove some of the molecules from the cylinder, because we will have fewer molecules, the average kinetic energy will decrease, and we should see a decrease in temperature of the cylinder. To measure the temperature, we'll be using an infrared sensor hooked up to a simple graphing program.